Yes, we can see
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. I have a quick agenda. So I would like to go over the status of the current HLD and code PRs. And if there are, I mean, basically we would like to speed it up. And there is a 2024, O5 fork out, and we have a branch available. And let's plan for get it speed up this review process and, any code PRs. I see like a couple of HLDs have a lot of code PRs. Let's, bring in resources to get it done. So the second thing I would like to discuss about anyone interested to discuss about HLDs. So please let us know so that we can plan for next meeting. So those are the two items I have, and I'll give an update about what is the current release status. How do you basically book slots for to discuss in wide community meeting. Yeah. So this is my last weekly call stuff. So right now predominantly the critical features I'm tracking here. The one is like PoE, the layer 2 features, and the 802.1 security features, and I think we have decided about the development branch and some of the things like image size optimization we're going to discuss about today. For PoE, I see that there is a HLD being discussed in the community Tuesday call, and the thing is here, let me go over there. Yeah. So here do we have Taras or like PL Vision here? So do we have any closer
Yes.
HLD?
What do you mean by closure up the HLD? Can you elaborate
do we
here?
have any outstanding stuff, or what is the decision on this? So, and also I think some of the guys, some of the companies wanted to, review this PR, but I don't see, for example, Adam, Joel, Saravanan and Sudarshan, I would like to add here. So please let us know. I don't see like, nobody has been reviewed yet. And can you guys text me so that I can add, the reviewers as soon as possible? Can you guys text me right away? And Teras, let me know. So what do we need here? So basically to merge this PR and to get it.
I believe that we can merge this PR once the pull request with changes for that implements this PR can be done, unless we can do it in advance. My understanding was that that SLD will be merged once we have the implementation for this, and the plan for implementation is end of this month for the virtual switch, and then we will collaborate and work with Marvell to extend. I don't want to speak up for Marvell. For the virtual switch is end of this month.
Yeah. So I see there are a couple of comments from the reviewers, and I don't see any. It's kind of closer. Could you able to bring in the right resource to kind of close this by next meeting, so that we can speed up this process?
Yeah, I will ask someone to take a look.
Okay. Yeah. So can you guys, I see like a couple of guys wanted to review this PR. For example, do we have any GitHub handle so that I can add it here? Because I don't see any progress past week, so I would like to add it that. So you can pass on me either email or you can reply to this in a group so that I should be able to update here. For example, Adam, okay. And what else? So do we have Celestica here? There is
there's several of us from Celestica on this call.
So can you please add me into the request list?
Okay. Because I wanted to get it done because it's kind of Saravanan, I think this is. I think you have access to this PR, right? This is the PR. Just add your GitHub handle, okay? And one more thing, Joel. Yeah, Sudarshan, do you have? Can you share your handle?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, so fine. I mean, please share with me the right GitHub handles. Okay, this one. I think Saravanan something is wrong. Can you guys can you quick take a look after this meeting? Okay, yeah. Okay, so that is one thing, and then go back to. So yeah, so Taras, will you able to add the code PRs? Can you link the code PRs to this HLD?
Yes. Once code PRs are being pushed, I will link them here. They are not yet created.
Okay, all right. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, and if you want to discuss any item, so for example, let's say you wanted to close anything, please bring us. Most probably, I think next meeting we should be able to close that, Taras. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. The second one is layer 2 features. Do we have Explore or Broadcom? Anyone from Explore or Broadcom here? So I believe this one I see HLD.
I think.
Hello. 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 Yeah. So this HLD, I see last week Explore team told me that so there will be updated HLD. I believe that Sudarshan has been reviewed. And Praveen, do you have GitHub handle? I can add that.
I do have it, and I've already posted some
Okay.
comments there, which
Okay,
I think they've addressed it, or they've responded to it.
Yeah. So please make sure that whoever the reviewers, as soon as it's addressed, just kind of resolve those comments. So that would help us to bring it to the closure. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, this is good. This is good. And coming back to 801X, I see is the HLD got merged, but there are a lot of code PRs. See a lot of code PRs here, but none of the code PRs has been reviewed. Do we have anyone from Broadcom on the call? Yeah, if no one here, I can reach out to Adam. It's a big feature. I see HLD got merged, but there are a lot of code PRs. I see some of the there is a repo owners, but some of them don't have any repo owners. For example, this guy, no, there is no reviewer here. I will talk to I can send a message to Adam. Okay, this is good. And then coming back to the static lag, I believe Sudarshan, I believe it is. Can you give me the status whether it is already merged in the branch, or do we need to port it?
Madhu, my understanding is this is not yet merged. I just shared you some of the links.
Okay.
I do believe that this has been actively reviewed. Recently, also I saw some comments.
So do we have both HLD as well as code PS?
Yes.
Okay. Please add it here. Otherwise, share it to me. I can update it here. Okay.
Yeah, I just shared Madhu.
Okay, so that is good. And coming back to the branch is forked out. So on May 30th. And right now, I think it is open for only bug fixes to kind of cherry pick. And here is the, basically, so you have all the features here. So what are the features we are discussing here? We need to mark it for 2024-11. Otherwise, it will not be tracked. So please make sure that whoever working on PoE layer 2, 801 pack, lag or whatever all the PRs just marked for 2024-11. So find, I think some of them they put in a backlog, make sure that it will be moved to the right release. Okay. That is one thing. And the final one is SONiC image size reduction. I see, I think Sudarshan, I think shared, there is a PR from, the community, which actually provide 30% reduction in the image. So that, I think that PR we should be able to pull in, or it is already available. So the Taras, I believe that you have some, you are planning to bring in some of the optimizations, right? Do you have any update on this?
Yeah, as I was saying, it will be done in sequence. Once we finish with POE, we will start thinking about what kind of optimization we can upstream.
Okay, okay. All right. So, I think, I think you already considered this PR, right? Image size reduction. So I believe if you take a look at this, this is the PR we are talking
Isn't it
about.
already merged? Yes, it's merged.
Yeah, it's
been
already
in the
merged in
repo
2022. Okay,
for quite some time.
okay. Yeah,
And
yeah.
there has been some other changes also in latest master, apart from this.
Okay, okay. So do you have any, so Sudarshan, like if you have any reference to that, can you add it here? Okay.
I'll add it, Madhu.
Okay, so already this is what I have. So the second thing I would like to share this document to, Anjo, so that like, so the two things we need to do. So whatever I think these PRs are pretty much ready. If anything we wanted to close within a bigger community, let us get it done on Tuesday calls, and there are slots available in Tuesday. For example, this is the chart, so you can go here and table view, and you can see you can mark for the write release, and also you can book slots for weekly call, the Tuesday call. And you can let them know that we already been discussed in this group. And this is the chart. I will share this chart to Anjo and Ing and also Guhan, and we should be able to speed up the process and get it done for 2024-11. Okay. So this is what I have. I mean, do you have any questions or anything? Anybody wanted to discuss HLDs next week? I mean, upcoming weekly call. So any suggestions or anything you wanted to prioritize? Any feedback? Okay. So all right, if you don't have any more comments, so let's focus on code reviews and HLD reviews and get it done as quickly as possible by next meeting. Okay. All right. I would like to give back 45 minutes back to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Madhu.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye.